Hey guys, let's talk about this Anthrolite travel jewelry case made with synthetic leather material. Okay, so let's open this up. And as you can see here, it's got these hooks here so that you can hang 11 necklaces. And it's also got a big pouch here for your other accessories. And then we have a mirror here for your makeup. So let's flip the mirror over here and you'll see that you have 7 more hooks for necklaces and pockets for more accessories. And if we look at the third compartment, you can put your rings, bracelets, hair accessories. It's got ample space for all your hair accessories or jewelry. Classy design that makes it a great gift for special occasions like anniversaries, birthdays, weddings. You can give this gift to your girlfriend, your wife, your sister, your mom, any female who loves to travel. Anthrolite travel jewelry case made with durable synthetic leather material for any female traveler. Thank you for watching.